Today, I'll show you how to create conditional questions in Google Forms. If you want people to see different questions based on the answer they choose, Google Forms can do that with a feature called Go to Section based on answer. Google says this lets you send respondents to different sections of the form depending on what they select. It also says this option is available only for multiple choice and drop-down question types, so that is the first thing to keep in mind before you build the form. To begin, open Google Forms and create a new form, or open one you already made. Then add your first main question, the one that will control what happens next. Make that question either multiple choice or drop-down because those are the question types that support this branching feature. After that, create separate sections for the follow-up questions you want different people to see. Google says you can add a section break using the Add Section tool, and each section works like a separate page in the form. Now click the main question, open the More menu with the three dots, and choose Go to Section based on answer. Once you turn that on, a drop-down will appear beside each answer choice. From there, you can choose which section each answer should send the person to. For example, if someone answers yes, you can send them to a section with follow-up questions. If they answer no, you can send them to another section or even end the form early. Google says you can also choose Submit Form if you want the form to stop after a certain answer. There is another useful part of this setup. At the bottom of each section, Google Forms lets you choose where people go next. That means after someone finishes one section, you can send them to another section, continue to the next one, or control the flow more carefully. This is helpful when your form has several branches and you want to guide people through the right path step by step. One important thing to remember is that Google Forms conditional logic is section-based, not fully question by question in the way some advanced form builders work. So the best way to make it work smoothly is to organize your form into clear sections first. Then connect those sections using the answer rules. Before you send the form, test it yourself. Fill it out using different answers and make sure each option goes to the correct section. That small check can save a lot of confusion later, especially if your form has more than one branch. And that's how to create conditional questions in Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.